Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change TikTok region. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. Once connected with the internet, simply go and open your TikTok application. In TikTok application, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, tap on Account. Here, tap on Account Information. Here you see last option is Account Region, so tap on this option. And from here you can search and select any region. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.